Mom,
yes.
Mom. What could we do?
Oh, thank you. Well, you can play around in a tent. Or
that was...
find something else to do.
Yeah.
Hey, Evie, can you do me a favor? Tell me what we did in here. I'm taping this.
Wait, eat.
We ate in here, and what did we make here?
A tent.
A Bedouin tent? How do we do that?
We set it up.
Mm-hmm. And what things do you need to have to make a Bedouin tent?
Put supplies up.
Put surprises up? Okay.
Yeah.
What else did we bring in from the house?
Uh.
Well, what do you see around you?
Pillows and blankets and sheets.
And a brother. Merritt, say hi.
Hi.
What do we do out here, Merritt?
No. My choice is cha. And cha.
Yeah?
Cheese.
Cheese. It's a good picture. And do we put this tent up in like the forest or the desert?
Desert.
What else do we learn about what we're doing?
Joey. I tried. Hey, you're not surprised.
Okay, guys, I'm going to end the video. Say bye-bye.